loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. Let's get you guys updated. So I know it's been a while, but I've been working on something special and I just launched it. It's called All Glitter Design. So I have a jewelry business now. Here is a sample of one of my pieces. You guys make sure to check it out. I'm gonna put it in the description. And before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. I missed you guys. What you will need: a laptop, a Cricut machine, printer, vinyl sticker paper, and a paper cutter is optional. How to make stickers. First thing first, once you launch the Cricut app, you're going to open up a new project page. Then you're going to go over to uploads. I already uploaded my image, but if you didn't, you will go to upload image. Select the image you would like. Just to make it easier, I made my image smaller, then I went over to shapes and selected circle. Once my circle is up, I'm going to make it the same size as the circle on my image. Now select the entire picture, then go to slice. At this point, your image is cut and you're just going to delete all the excess, because all you want is what's going to be your sticker. Now resize the sticker to 1.5. Now select your image and click duplicate. As you can see, I'm repeating this process until there's 20 stickers on the page. Sorry you guys, it's my son talking to me during the video. Now what you're going to do is highlight all the stickers on the page and go down to the bottom and click flatten and click attach. Once that step is complete, go to the top and click make it. It should take you to this page, and now you're just going to click continue at the bottom. Click send to printer, and then you're going to turn off add bleed because that will make the image not as clear. Your Cricut should be set to custom dial. Then you're going to click browse all materials and type in washi tape. The washi tape feature will make sure that the Cricut does not cut through the entire sticker paper. Okay, now you're going to go to your Cricut machine and click on the blinking button. Then click the other blinking button, and now it should start scanning and getting ready to cut. Just click the blinking button again once it's done. Okay, now the next part is optional. I'm using my paper cutter to just even out the square. This is for all my perfectionist babes out there. And now you're done. Look at those perfect business logo stickers. I love them. As always, thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and shop www.allglitterdesign.com.